Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to flush, properly refill, and clean your hot tub. Before we get started, let's go over the products you will need. Products you will need: BioGuard Spa System Flush BioGuard Filter Cleaner, BioGuard Off the Wall Surface Cleaner, HydroPure Technologies 1 Micron Hot Tub Pre-Filter. Step 1. Remove the filter compartment lid and the filters. Step 2. Turn on the jets and pour the SpaGuard System Flush directly into the filter compartment. Let the jets run for 15 minutes. The water will be very foamy. Step 3. After 15 minutes, turn off the jets. Disconnect power from the spa and drain the spa. Step 4. Spray the filters generously with SpaGuard filter cleaner and let them soak in the filter cleaning solution for approximately 15 minutes. After a good soak, spray them with a garden hose until they are clean. Step 5. After the spa is drained, clean the spa shell with BioGuard Off the Wall Surface Cleaner. Step 6. Rinse the spa shell with clean water and drain. Step 7. Rinse the filter compartment and clean up all debris with a towel. Step 8. Install the standpipes, filters, filter caps, and the drain caps. Step 9. Remove the gray standpipe. Put a garden hose directly into the gray standpipe fitting. Turn the water on full blast and hold a rag around the hose to remove any airlocks from the water lines. You should see large air bubbles coming up from the drain screen. Continue refilling the spa through the gray standpipe fitting until the air bubbles decrease. Step 10. Once the air bubbles have decreased, install the gray standpipe, filter, and cap. Step 11. Thread the 1 micron hot tub pre-filter onto the garden hose and refill the spa through the filter compartment. Step 12. When the water level reaches above all the jets, reconnect power to the spa. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.